Hello everyone, it's Ben from Senior Computer Services International. Today I want us to see how we can file for annual returns when you are in Uganda using the URA services or URA. You just click your name of your browser, you type ura.go.ug, then you click enter. When you click enter, it will bring this. So when it brings this, you come to login. So you go to portal. This is, then after you put your user ID, that's your TIN number, then password, then you type these digits the way they are. Then after you click login. When you click login, it will bring the login menu or the login page. When it brings the login page, you can skip or you can update if you have anything to update. So here you will be updating your TIN information. Here you can view your amendment history if you made some changes. Then here, that's where you do your filing. So you can choose any type of filing you want. Let me say pay as you earn. I just click. So now this is the company profile. Like I want to pay taxes, or I want to file taxes for my, then you select period. Let me say from October 1st to December. You can say, let me say from 1st September to 31st. So when you click, now this one is already filed. That's why it says amend, because it's already filed. You have to put a reason here, then you download this amendment form. If you haven't, so that is that.